making grilled cheese. And I'm Mia. My name is Maya.
Okay, girls, what are we making today?
Grilled cheese.
Okay, grilled cheese. Okay, what are we putting on it?
Cocktail bread.
Uh-huh.
And then next we're going to put on some cheddar cheese.
Yes.
And then next we're going to put mozzarella cheese.
Yes, mozzarella cheese. We're going to put 2 slices of that mozzarella cheese. So y'all can get started and make y'all sandwiches, the grilled cheeses, and we're going to be using a butter with minced garlic. Okay.
Next, going to put the butter. Okay.
Okay. Good job.
Just need a little bit. Not trying to put too much. That's good. You don't need too much. Now let's taste.
Okay.
Mmm. People.
See how you like it, Maya? Oop. How's it taste?
Good.
You like it? Okay. Our mini
That was a good
grilled
one.
cheese.
Now
Mini
I'm
grilled
gonna try
cheese.
strawberry.
Mini grilled cheese, tater tots, and strawberries.